Hello! This video is to address the orientation of the backflow preventer on your frostproof wall hydrant stem. Each frostproof wall hydrant has an operating rod that will connect the handle to the bib washer, closing the water off in the back. Per code, there must be a backflow check that is going to prevent water from the outside going back into the potable water system. Our backflow preventer works as a boot that allows the water to flow over during the operation, and in the case of a backflow, that water trying to go back would get encapsulated into the boot itself. During removal, you may find that the stem is actually not orientated correctly. You can see that the backflow boot on this particular stem is inverted the wrong way. This would cause problems where the threads are no longer able to engage in the valve, and it also will prevent water from making it out to the hose. We want to make sure we have the correct orientation, and in this case we simply fold the boot down, making sure that the opening of the bell points towards the handle. We are good to go. Another issue you may also see is that the backflow boot may come disengaged from the back end of the stem. The PRIER design has a ridge designed into the brass on the stem end. This is where your backflow boot will need to go. You can move that right up, and with a small screwdriver, you're gonna sit there and try and carefully work that right back into that groove, making sure that we are mindful not to tear the backflow boot. Once you get it in place, you can use your fingers to make sure it is seated properly, and again, the orientation facing towards the handle. It is very important to make sure that your backflow preventer is in the right orientation, or your valve will not work properly. Should you have additional questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team at any time. We are always happy to help. Thank you for watching.